Hi, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is all the way from Thailand, their famous chicken satay. Let's get started. Finely chop 1 inch ginger and 7 garlic cloves. To this, add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon oil, salt, quarter cup of coconut milk, 3 teaspoons peanut butter, and mix this well. And your marination is ready. To this, add 500 grams of chicken cut into long strips. Mix this well and let it marinate for about half an hour. Meanwhile, soak some wooden skewers. This will prevent it from burning. Now carefully thread all the chicken to the skewers. Once done, it's now time to fry. Heat a pan and spray some oil. Place the chicken strips and cook on a medium heat. Once done, spray some oil and flip it over. Gently press it down if needed so that it cooks evenly. Once the chicken is cooked well, it's ready to serve. Serve this with some peanut sauce. Isn't this famous recipe so easy to make at home? Do give it a try and let me know. Until we meet again, be enchanted.